Installing your Bridjit curb ramp set is easy. First, thoroughly sweep your curb and gutter. Only a hammer, flathead screwdriver, and pliers are needed for this two-person job. Place each section, left, center, right, in the correct order and lay tightly end to end. Whether you're installing the ramp on a curved or straight curb, align all ramp sections together. When you lay the ramp sections down into the gutter, make sure that the left section is on the left and the right section is on the right when facing the ramp from the street. The ends of the ramp should be angled towards the street, and the Bridjit logo should be legible from the street as well. Turn the ramp sections over into the street. They are now flat side down. To connect, stand on the section the pre-inserted bolt is being driven into and use a hammer to pound those bolts into that section. Be sure to leave the bolt head at least 1/8 inch from the rubber. Repeat until all pieces are joined. Taking care not to damage the threads, pry each bolt up by pushing a flathead screwdriver between the rubber and the threaded end of the bolt. Spin each nut onto the bolt with your fingers. To allow flexibility in the joints, the bolt should only protrude 1/4 inch beyond the nut. If you're not going to install additional sections, use pliers to crimp the threads at the end of each bolt. This acts as a theft deterrent by making disassembly more difficult. Starting at one end, lift the outer edge of the ramp up and toward the gutter. Flip it over. Keep flipping until the ramp looks like this and Bridjit is readable when facing the ramp from the street.